In this video, I'm going to show you 3 important mistakes that I have made myself, and I don't want you to make those mistakes. So if you're into importation or you want to go into importation, you might want to pay attention. Now, let me clarify this. So many people think when it comes to importation, it had to be huge and big. No. You can actually go into importation to import the things you want to use in your own home. It's good to get the knowledge so that you know how to leverage the knowledge that you have to do things that will benefit you and your family. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, save this video. Do not go nowhere. Just stay with me. I'm going to take you step by step and tell you 3 steps that you must take for you not to make the mistake that I made when I started my importation business. The very first mistake was not verifying your supplier. Now, for the fact that that supplier looks good, for the fact it seems good, doesn't mean it is good. If a supplier is not verified, is not authentic, there is no way they can package themselves and they become verified and authentic. No. So take extra steps to make sure that the supplier you're speaking to is authentic and verified. I am saying this because just because they look legit or probably their website look legit doesn't mean they are legit. Take a extra step to verify their certificate, to verify their warehouse, their store, and also make sure you request for samples. Because if you are dealing with a supplier, for instance, you're buying shoes, ladies' shoes or men's shoes, and you find out that some of them that are not legit, the quality you want might not be the quality that they're going to send to you. So try and verify all of this so you don't make a mistake of losing your money. Now, the second mistake is ignoring importation regulations. When it comes to importation, there are regulations around it. So you find out that each product you want to import has its own compliance requirements. So you must make sure the product you are importing you are able to meet that compliance requirement as attached to the product you are importing. This is very important. For instance, somebody who is importing clothing and somebody who is importing baby wipes or pampers, there are different regulations as regards to those products. This is very important for you to find out. Now, each product, like I said, has different compliance regulations. Yeah. So find out before you make a mistake. Now, this is important because if you make one mistake, this could lead to your goods being seized or delayed. So you don't want to make that mistake. Now, the last one, which is the third one, is underestimating the shipping cost. When it comes to importation, shipping cost is very important. It is important that you make your calculations very well. First and foremost, you have to take on board what is the shipping cost of whatever you want to import. Now, what some people do is their concentration is merely on the price of the product and then what they want to sell it for. No, you have to consider the cost of the shipping and whatever expenses that will incur in the process of you getting that product. Expenses like the storage. Remember, if you import your goods and they get to your shipping agent tells you that the goods had arrived, there's no way you're gonna rush and pick it up that day. So there are some shipping agents, they have an amount of fees that you have to pay if, for instance, your goods stay in their warehouse for like maybe 2 days or 2 weeks or 1 week, or as the case may be. So all of these expenses, you have to take consideration of them before you decide on how much you want to sell the goods. These are very important. So this is it, guys. 3 mistakes you must not make if you want to import goods to sell. Now, if you find value in this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, save, and share. I hope to see you next time. You're welcome.